How to log in to sell credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your sell credit card online. To log into your sell credit card online, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device, and in the search bar you need to type sell credit card. Now search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with various search results. You need to click on this first one that appears. Once you click on it, now you will be taken to the official website of Sell Credit Card. Once you reach to this page, here at the left side, you will find the login interface. Here you will be presented with two boxes. In this first box, you need to enter your user ID. And if you want your user ID to be remembered for future logins, you can also click on this little square ahead of this option. And in the second box, now enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here, otherwise you won't be able to access your account. If in case you don't remember your user ID or password, then you can click on this retrieve user ID or reset password button right at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account details. Now after you have entered all your details correctly, click on the sign on button right at the bottom and then you will be able to log into your Sell Credit Card account online. Once logged in, you can view your account details, manage your card and perform other transactions. Also, if you haven't set up your online account yet, you may need to register on it. For that, you can click on this register your card option and then you will need to fill out the application form. So in this way, you can log into your Sell Credit Card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.